Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And yeah, we bought two of these. They called up, they had two of them, we took them both. This is a 2011 Ford F550. Now, as I said when I showed you the other one, guys, these are getting harder and harder to find, fewer and fewer in between. The reason is because, as you know, we don't deal with rust and we don't deal with high mileage. This truck has 103,000 miles on it, that's it. And the cool thing about it is that it's not going to be excessive on hours, because living behind here is an own-in generator. That is what operates the hydraulics for the bucket right there. Altec bucket, Altec body. This thing is set up, it is so cool, it is amazing. So they do a really cool thing. Doesn't help me today, but it's a really cool thing. If you look at this, it says, let me turn the lights off, fuel level low, right? And if you look at the gauge, yeah, there ain't no gas in there. So what happens is, when it gets below a certain level, the pickup for the generator won't reach the fuel. So if I hit the switch, it just cranks and cranks and cranks, and there's not enough gas in it. That stops you from accidentally being up in the air and run the thing out of fuel. It's a really cool idea. I like it. It's a safety thing that Altec does. So we'll put some gas in there later on. So just look at the pictures of the other one. Everything on this will work just like that. I have no issues at all. So they got up above storage up there. They've got all kinds of rust-free. Look at this. Look at that. Obviously, we haven't even cleaned this here. Now, this has the same roll-out drawers that the other one has. It has one in this cabinet, has one in that cabinet, has one in this cabinet. If you open the door on the other side, it'll roll out that way, just like this. So you have access from both sides. The rear one back here, just a really nice little thing. By the way, I don't even know what that stuff is, so whatever is in there, hopefully you can use it. Looks to me like there's hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars of stuff in there. I don't know. I'm not in that business. It's got a receiver hitch. There's your little eye for the backup camera. Nice little control bar right there that you can control. Strobe lights, flashers, you name it. Side entrance, I like that. Another thing I like is this. Remember the days where you had to actually climb up over it? No, it's got a safety strap right there. No big deal. So you just open that up, you'll be able to get in it. That raises up like a garage door. So you got inside storage, and again, whatever's up there, you get to keep. And it has a ladder rack right there. It's very nicely set up. Altec makes a nice unit. Inside here is the control if you want to run it from the ground. Flip that down there, push that button in, then raise those switches. If you're going to use the bucket, don't forget to turn that up to the upper control, or else it won't work. And these all look exactly the same as the other side. They got the little roll-out doors, except this one has a roll-up door, but it also has another little storage compartment down here. Such a nice piece. It's got the strobe lights going up there. It's got all that kind of good stuff right there. It's got the fancy mirrors with the signals and the stuff and everything. Tires on it are very good. I don't think you need to do anything with them. Interior is nice and straight. We don't need to have a front license plate bracket, but some states do, so we left it there. Nice, clean. Power windows, power door locks right there. And of course, no rust. You got the full-length running board going along there. Such a nice little truck. I love these things. Altec makes such a nice unit. It's got the tow hooks on front. It's got strobe lights everywhere. There's flashing strobe lights up there as well. All your flashers are working. Such a nice truck. It really is. It's a beautiful little truck. Clean. There's your power door locks, power windows, power mirrors, built-in cruise control. Here's your meter. Let's see. 169 hours on the generator set. Incredible, isn't it? Saves you having to have the motor running on the truck. So you don't have to run a bunch of hours on your cab and chassis unit. You can shut the truck off when you get there, turn on that Onan generator back there, and you can run all of your stuff with that right there. Of course, there's your control for your traffic control bar and back. Everything on it works the way it's supposed to work. Shut that off so we don't forget. Beverage holders. These are the main controls for the strobes and the generator power and all that kind of good stuff. Air conditioning, automatic transmission. Let me see here if I can, let's turn the light off. Let's see, how are we going to get rid of that? You know what, we may have to just turn it off and then, oh, there you go. 103,595 miles. 103,000 miles, man, it's hardly been used, huh? Clean, floorboards are clean. Everything on this truck is exactly the way it's supposed to be. Very, very nice. Nicely done. It's got the backup camera right there. Let's see if I can get that so it'll focus on it for you. Yeah, there you go. I just had to block out the sun so my camera will pick it up. Sun visors are nice. Headliner's nice. Sound system, AM, FM, factory sound system on it. It's just ready to go, guys. I don't know what more to tell you. She's just a nice, nice little truck right there. If you can use this truck, you know what to do. You give me a call. I'm right here at HD Trucks and Equip in Henderson, Tennessee. My cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.